Ako pa ito matanawang selfie.
처럼.
L. L.
Selfie.
L.
Dito tanaw sa
Selfie. Selfie sa gani. Selfie.
Selfie. Selfie ba?
Selfie ka, selfie.
Mul lagi ko no. Yun siya mul sa kuno ba? Selfie da yun. Mul siya ato ta artista. Ato ta artista. Ato ta artista.
Bakit ganyan?
No, they're not complaining. We chose him, so it's our responsibility also if we have a problem with him.
Ilang saglit ba? Siglit for lapitan na si Nico.
I want to give him the floor, but we have to tell him to step up. And not just that, we all also. Hindi sa we're relying. Kasi kanina, sobrang ko na-appreciate na lahat tayo nag-uusap. Mas gusto ko yung ganun. Na-address natin eh. Kasi ayoko na kasi talking about it. Pag lumapit siya, biglang mag-change topic na. That's not how we deal with it. Put yourself in these shoes. How would you feel if people are doing that to you? I wouldn't allow that to happen. We all need to address na we're all doing the same thing to you. Yeah. Kawawa nga siya. He needs our guidance. He needs our help. At the end of the day, isa rin siya sa mga bunso natin. We have to listen. Yeah. Hindi na we're talking behind his back. Ito na lang, let's keep it simple. All 10 of us are leaders, parents, in our own ways. We've elected Lee as a leader. Let's keep it like that. Let's teach him how to be that leader. The person let's teach him instead of looking down on him, instead of backstabbing him, instead of hiding the truth from him. We're really gonna go there to talk about the cleanliness. And then, no, let's all talk about it. Yeah.
Pinakamasarap, Chicken Joy! Pinaka-Pilipino, pinakamalaki, pinakamasarap, Chicken Joy! Kaya choose it by format of Pinoy. Pinaka-Pilipino, pinakamalaki, pinakamasarap, Chicken Joy!
No, let's all talk about it. Yeah.
Ang boys, minabuting kausapin na ang kanilang household chores leader na si Lee.
Okay, so we'd like to formally start by apologizing. I'm sorry. Yung mga pinag-usapan namin kanina ay para mapaliwanag namin sa isa't isa ang mga isipan namin tungkol dito. I'd like to start by apologizing. I'm sorry.
Sorry Lee, kasi minsan yung mga jokes ko hindi ko siya mapigilan kasi I don't know din na kung okay na sa'yo or nagbibiruan pa tayo. Pero it's my fault na ganun yung nagagawa ko kasi minsan I need to tone it down pa. Lee, I wanna apologize and the reason being kasi kanina napag-usapan kita about your leadership. Kanina, instead of blaming myself for the cleanliness, kasi individually naman yun eh. Because as you being our leader, parang I mentally parang put the blame on you. Which hindi dapat. That's why I'm apologizing. And hindi namin na-realize na you're our bunso. And all you wanted to do was really wanted you to be your leader, be better.
And that we know, though, that your intentions are good.
Yeah.
Not only that you want.
To me, that's
Play
completely
na.
fine. Kasi alam natin yung
Play na to, play na.
no bad intention. Brother, don't worry. You're not complaining about your person.
You smoke with your bare hands.
Naisip ko.
Even if we do pull up the cup,
Wala ko nag-selfie. Wala ko na ibog na selfie ka. Wala ko na ibog sa imong selfie. Hawa niya, minawa niya ko. Ako na ibog sa imong selfie. Mama.
Kanila na! Hala! Grabe naman yung minggay na mo ah. Sa selfie!
Eh, wala ko naman kabayo.
Selfie! Kabayo! Kabayo! Tig dig 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 dig. Kabayo ba? Tig dig 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 dig.
Termasuk hal yang membuat dia pingsan. Saya pernah ketemu sama papanya Raya lagi di hotel, cuman kayaknya lagi buru-buru banget ya sampai nanya ke saya apa lupa sama saya.
Alak ka.
Unsa to?
Ito nakakita kang Aris.
Masih ketemu sama perempuan itu. Kamu punya keluarga yang luar biasa, Aris. Jangan sampai kamu kehilangan semuanya.
Kamu ngapain aja musik?
Mas, aku bisa lihat dari mata Mas. Kalau Mas cuma lihat aku sama
Iahak gini sila ba bisag nas balay lagi na.
Tig dig 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 dig. Smile, selfie, selfie,
Lagi na selfie ba kaya?
selfie,
Alawas ba? Agben pinalawa ba?
selfie, lolo,
Ay, nagsugod naman.
selfie, tig dig 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 dig.
Agay, game mo kong kabayo. Israel.
Ah, Bayo, ikaw, Bayo, Bayo, ah? Nana. Nana, Pepe. Ayaw kan. Na. Ayaw biraga. No. Ang sugot sa... Ayaw birag diretso ba? No, bawal pa ka na, bawal ka. Bege mama be. Ayaw ikon kang arbet. Ada dia butang japut butang jana. Selfie. Smile.
It has an internal ecosystem of parts pumping everything in the body. If we can get water inside the system, so